The future of work is changing, fast. Every day, new headlines warn us about automation, artificial intelligence, and robots transforming the workplace. It's easy to feel anxious, even overwhelmed, as we wonder what our careers will look like in just a few years. For centuries, new technology has threatened jobs, but also created new ones. From the steam engine to the assembly line, each wave of innovation has forced people to adapt, learn new skills, and sometimes, to completely rethink what work means. The Industrial Revolution replaced hand weavers with machines, but also created factory jobs. It was a time of massive upheaval, but also of opportunity for those willing to change. Now, AI is the new disruptor. It's not just about physical labor anymore. AI is taking on tasks that require thinking and creativity. From writing articles to designing products, AI is stepping into roles we once thought were uniquely human. That's why this shift feels personal, even threatening. It's not just about losing jobs, it's about questioning our own value and identity in a world where machines can do so much. The question isn't just, can a machine do my job, but, can a machine think like me? Can it solve problems, make decisions, or even be creative in the ways that I can? Today, we'll explore what AI agents are, what they're good at, and where humans still have the edge. We'll look at how these technologies are already changing the workplace, and what skills will matter most in the years ahead. Is it a showdown, or a partnership? Will we compete with machines or find new ways to work together and achieve more than ever before? Let's look at the good, the bad, and the complicated. The rise of AI brings both challenges and opportunities, and the answers aren't always simple. The future might be more collaborative than you think. Together, humans and machines could create a new kind of workplace, one that's smarter, more creative, and full of possibilities. What's an AI agent? Think of it as a digital employee, software that can set goals, learn, and act on its own. AI agents are everywhere, answering customer service chats, planning delivery routes, and trading stocks. They don't just follow instructions, they make decisions and adapt. For example, a marketing manager can ask an AI agent to find trends, write posts, and schedule them automatically. Unlike old software, AI agents work independently, breaking down complex goals into automated tasks. That's why they're transforming the workplace. They're not just tools, they're autonomous problem solvers, and that's a game changer. Humans and AI agents each bring something special to the table, with strengths that are both distinct and complementary. In today's world, the line between human and machine is blurring, but understanding what each does best is more important than ever. AI is unbeatable at speed, data analysis, and repetitive tasks. Think scanning legal documents or analyzing millions of data points in seconds. Machines never tire, never lose focus, and can process information at a scale that's simply impossible for any human. But humans excel at empathy, creativity, and navigating complex social situations. We can read between the lines, offer comfort, and imagine entirely new possibilities. Skills that machines still struggle to replicate. An AI can make a perfect pizza every time, following the recipe to the letter. But only a human chef invents new recipes, adapts to changing tastes, or connects with customers on a personal level, creating memorable experiences. AI follows rules and excels at consistency. Humans break the rules, challenge the status quo, and drive true innovation forward. The real power comes from combining these strengths, using AI to handle the heavy lifting, while humans focus on what we do best. For routine, data-heavy work, AI wins every time, freeing us up to tackle more meaningful challenges. For creativity, empathy, and adaptation, humans still lead the way, bringing heart and imagination to every interaction. It's not a fight, it's a balance. By working together, humans and machines can achieve more than either could alone, shaping a future where both can thrive. Jobs built on routine and data, like data entry or basic bookkeeping, are prime for automation. AI is also excelling in complex analysis, like reading X-rays or trading stocks. But jobs needing deep human connection, critical thinking, or hands-on problem-solving, like therapists, teachers, or plumbers, remain human territory. You can't automate empathy or creativity. Leadership, strategy, and adapting to chaos are still human strengths. Even in skilled trades, real-world unpredictability keeps humans in demand. The future of work is about matching the right tasks to the right strengths, and for now many jobs still need a human touch. The future isn't about AI versus humans, it's about AI working alongside humans, as true partners. Instead of seeing technology as a rival, we can embrace it as a powerful ally that helps us reach new heights. The most successful workplaces of tomorrow will blend the analytical power and speed of AI with the unique creativity, empathy, and intuition that only people can provide. Together, we can solve problems faster and dream bigger. Imagine a radiologist with an AI assistant. The AI quickly scans thousands of images and flags potential issues, while the human expert focuses on the most complex cases, offering compassion and understanding to patients in ways only a person can. This kind of partnership leads to better results for everyone. But making this shift won't be simple. It will require ongoing retraining, learning new skills, and adapting to new ways of working. We'll also need strong ethical guidelines to ensure that AI is used responsibly and benefits all people, not just a few. Technology is a tool, and its impact depends entirely on how we choose to use it. If we approach AI as collaborators, not competitors, AI can help free us from repetitive tasks, giving us more time to innovate, solve meaningful problems, create new ideas, and connect with each other in deeper, more meaningful ways. That's a future worth building together, one where technology and humanity move forward hand in hand.